Okay. So much drool.
Hey guys, this is Brad Casper with Radiant. This is one of our crazy photo shoots where we're getting images of our technicians for the side of the van. So this is Chris, and this is a good one.
Need a parachute. I need a string. Ah, come on. Yes. Like this? Yes, sir. Woo! Yeah! I feel like I'm planking right now, right? Okay. You tell me if I'm getting enough motion in the hair. I can't tell. Hands out. And I've never skydove before.
This is what it looks like. This is what it feels like too. You're doing it. You're doing it.
Woo!
Yeah, feet up is good. Like we want to see those feet. Yeah, if you can get those feet up even more.
Oh man, Brad, you're asking for a lot here.
This is what.
Oh, we'll see it.
Oh yeah. It just took him by surprise. That was awesome. Okay.
Let's see it again one more time.
That's the one you want? You're gonna need to
It's all dry. Woo, that was
You're
quick.
gonna need to go like circles so it's getting like everything. You gotta figure it out.
Be loose on your mouth. Be loose. Keep your mouth really loose.
Do I do that? Okay. So much drool.
It's working though. It's working. Just let it go. I don't care. It's gonna spray that way.
Maybe we'll test to see what it looks like first.
That'd be loose.
I'll take pictures of that anyway. Go. Oh my gosh, that is definitely the shot, man. That is the shot right there.
Drool every time.
The angle of your body. Alright, let's go.
Be real loose.
Straight right into his mouth like you were doing
You know,
on
like-
you to blow the cheeks up. I think it's the funniest, don't you?
Yeah.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go. I can't breathe with that thing. I have like a million pictures too. That's
It needs to be
amazing.
like super close.
Oh, gross.
No, let's not do that.
It's like a frat party.
All right.
We need more of it.
We got to do up his nose. That's next.
I'll just get point blank.
Eyes are gonna like shoot out of my head.
Dude, so
I hope you got the shot. Oh, we definitely did. I think I got like drool in my ear almost. I was skydiving.
Get him a water, quick.
And you guys should give me one of those. That was good. Good lower back workout.
I know.
Now we got to go to work. Click the like button, leave a comment below, and definitely subscribe so that we can keep you connected to our latest videos.